Modular Cleanroom. A modular cleanroom is a modular solution specifically designed for rapidly constructing high-class clean environments within industrial plants. Phase 1 Site survey and preparation. Confirm the spatial dimensions of the installation area and the locations of water and electrical interfaces, followed by a thorough cleaning of the site. Phase 2 Main structure construction. Assemble the framework and enclosure structure, reserving installation openings for air showers, pass box, and safety doors, while also reinforcing the structure. Phase 3 Sealing system and FFU pre-installation. Before hoisting, conduct individual tests on each FFU and integrated light tube for airflow velocity, illumination, and noise levels. Once the tests are passed, proceed with hoisting and positioning. Phase 4 Installation and sealing. Fit air showers and pass box into pre-made openings. Seal interior connections to wall panels for full air tightness.